Deep within the vast expanse of Siberia, there lies a scar on the landscape, a gaping chasm known as the Batagay megaslump. Locals call it the doorway to hell, and the name is apartment. The megaslump is a visual reminder of the power of nature, a stark illustration of the changing climate. It is a place where the Earth is literally opening up, revealing secrets buried for millennia. The megaslump is a relatively recent phenomenon, first appearing in the 1960s. However, its growth has accelerated in recent decades, fueled by the warming climate. This essay delves into the depths of Batagay, exploring its formation, its scientific significance, and the environmental consequences it represents. Batagay is located in the Sakha Republic, also known as Yakutia, in northeastern Siberia, Russia. This region is one of the most remote and sparsely populated areas on Earth, characterized by its vast, untouched wilderness. This vast region is known for its extreme climate, with long, frigid winters and short, cool summers. Temperatures can plummet to minus 50 degrees Celsius in winter, creating a harsh environment that few can endure. The megaslump lies approximately 660 kilometers, or 410 miles, northeast of the regional capital, Yakutsk, and is situated within a remote area of continuous permafrost. This permafrost, a layer of permanently frozen ground, is crucial to the region's ecosystem. The surrounding landscape is dominated by large forests, known as taiga, interspersed with wetlands and rivers. These forests are home to a variety of wildlife, including reindeer, wolves, and bears, all adapted to the severe conditions. The remoteness of Batagay adds to its mystique, making it a challenging location for scientific research. Expeditions to this area require careful planning and preparation, as the harsh climate and difficult terrain can be unforgiving. Yet, the journey to this remote corner of the world is essential, for Batagay holds valuable clues to understanding our planet's past and its uncertain future. The megaslump, often referred to as the gateway to the Underworld, reveals layers of soil and ice that have been frozen for thousands of years, offering a unique glimpse into ancient climates and ecosystems. By studying these layers, scientists hope to gain insights into how our world has changed over millennia, and how it might continue to change in the face of global warming. The primary driver behind the formation and growth of Batagay megaslump is the thawing of permafrost. Permafrost is ground that remains frozen for at least 2 consecutive years, and it underlies much of the Arctic and subarctic regions, including Siberia. This frozen ground contains vast amounts of organic matter, remnants of ancient plants and animals trapped for thousands of years. As temperatures rise due to climate change, the permafrost begins to thaw. This thawing process has devastating consequences. It destabilizes the ground, leading to subsidence, landslides, and the formation of thermokarst lakes. In the case of Batagay, the thawing permafrost caused the ground to collapse, creating the massive crater we see today. Section 4. A glimpse into the past. Batagay is a time capsule. Batagay megaslump is more than just a scar on the landscape. It is a remarkable geological feature that has captured the attention of scientists and researchers from around the world. It is a window into the past, offering scientists an unprecedented opportunity to study ancient climate and environmental conditions. The megaslump's unique formation has exposed layers of permafrost that have remained untouched for millennia. The exposed layers of permafrost at Batagay provide a continuous record of Earth's history, dating back hundreds of thousands of years. Each layer acts like a page in a history book, revealing secrets of the planet's climatic and environmental past. These layers contain preserved pollen, seeds, and animal remains, allowing scientists to reconstruct past ecosystems and understand how they have changed over time. By studying these ancient biological materials, researchers can piece together the puzzle of Earth's ecological history. The megaslump has also revealed ancient soil horizons, providing insights into past climates and vegetation patterns. These soil layers offer clues about the types of plants that once thrived in the region, and how the climate has shifted over thousands of years. These discoveries are crucial for understanding the long-term effects of climate change and for predicting future environmental changes. By analyzing the data collected from Batagay, scientists can develop models to forecast how current and future climate change might impact our world. The work being done at Batagay is not just about looking back, it is also about looking forward. The insights gained here are invaluable for developing strategies to mitigate the impacts of climate change and to better prepare for the environmental challenges that lie ahead. Batagay megaslump stands as a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. It reminds us of the importance of studying and preserving our natural world for future generations. Section 5. Ancient Carbon Awakened, the environmental threat of thawing permafrost. While Batagay offers invaluable scientific insights, it also serves as a stark warning about the environmental consequences of climate change. As permafrost thaws, the organic matter it contains begins to decompose. This decomposition releases carbon dioxide and methane, both potent greenhouse gases, into the atmosphere. This release of greenhouse gases creates a positive feedback loop, further accelerating climate change. The thawing permafrost contributes to a vicious cycle. Warmer temperatures lead to more thawing, which releases more greenhouse gases, further warming the planet. This cycle has the potential to significantly amplify global warming with far-reaching consequences for ecosystems and human societies worldwide. Section 6. A warning sign from the north. Understanding the impacts of climate change. Batagay megaslump stands as a powerful symbol of the interconnectedness of our planet. This massive depression in the Siberian landscape is not just a geological curiosity. It is a stark indicator of the profound changes occurring in our environment. The far-reaching impacts of human activities, such as industrialization and deforestation, are evident in the Arctic. These activities contribute to the warming of the region, which in turn accelerates the thawing of permafrost. It is a tangible reminder that climate change is not a distant threat, but a present reality, particularly in the Arctic and subarctic regions, which are warming at an alarming rate. The rapid changes in these areas serve as a bellwether for the rest of the world, highlighting the urgent need for action. The thawing permafrost, exemplified by Batagay, poses significant risks to infrastructure, communities, and ecosystems in these regions. Roads, buildings, and pipelines are all at risk of damage as the ground beneath them becomes unstable. Moreover, the thawing permafrost threatens to release massive amounts of greenhouse gases, such as methane and carbon dioxide, which have been trapped in the frozen ground for millennia. This release could further accelerate climate change, creating a feedback loop that is difficult to control. Understanding the processes at play at Batagay is crucial for developing strategies to mitigate the impacts of climate change and for adapting to a rapidly changing world. Scientists are working tirelessly to study this phenomenon, gathering data that will help inform policy decisions and guide future actions. Communities and governments must collaborate to implement sustainable practices and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Investing in renewable energy sources, protecting natural habitats, and promoting conservation efforts are essential steps in this fight. The global community must come together to address the challenges posed by climate change. International agreements and local initiatives alike play a vital role in ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come.